Hey friends, I Subham is here to taught you how to find the sum of a number. So let's start it without any delay. A few basic things like in this program we will learn how to find the sum. So we will take a variable known as sum. We can use it, we can name it as you want. And in this variable we will initialize the value of 0. Hmm? I have already written here. Then we use a while loop for making this program. In the while loop, first we have to learn these few things like to separate to separate a number from another number, we will divide it by 10, and like 573 is divided by 10, so the answer will be 57. In the int, it should be all should be in int. Hmm? It should be an int division. You should remember this. This is a very important point. And if we want to get the last digit of a number, like 573, if modulus by 10, we will get 3 as the last digit, and it should be an int modulus. These few things we have to remember before making the program. And here we use the while loop. While for making while loop, then condition, and we will make it a while loop. So let's start how to make a program. We are making a program here, and in this first I have using import statement, import java.util.scanner. Scanner is a class, and we are importing it from the util package, which is in Java package. Okay, I have written the class name. Class is a keyword, that's why we write in small name. And identifier, we have class name, we can decide it by yourself as it is a identifier. So I have given it sum of digit. Then I make it a public static void main string args array. String is a data type of and array is also a data type. It is a reference data type which is derived from primitive data type. They are derived data type. We will study it later. Okay, scanner, it is a class name, that's why we use capital here. Then we have a close it, and we will write system dot in bracket. So what do you mean by system dot in? System dot in means the input which is given by the keyboard. The in default system dot input is basically our keyboard. The input we have written by our keyboard. Now we have typed something, then that input will be go and accepted by the system. It will be taken as a stream. It will be going stream, and it will be taken by the scanner class as an input. Then system dot out println enter a number int n equal to scnr dot next int. It is a scnr is the object we have found, and next int is a function in the scanner class to get the input value. So for making an input int division or int modulus, we will use, if we have all the values should be in int. Okay, then we have make while the condition of while will be n greater than 0, because when the value we will take it will be at last, it will be concluded at 0. We will learn it. You can see here, first of all we have write a variable d, and modulus 10 means the last digit of the number will be stored in d, and the d will be added to the sum. This process will be repeated again until the n value will be 0, and the number is modulus by 10 means the last value of this number will be removed, and then it will, like 573, it will be 57. Then 7 will be removed, 5, and 5 will be 0. So here, and the process will repeat and repeat, then the value will be separated, then it will be added. So at last n will be 0. So that's why we have written n is greater than 0 in while loop. Value come there, separated, added, then the last will be separated from there, then the last word will be separated from it, and it will be stored in d, and then process move going on and until the n value is 0. Oh, I have made a mistake. I usually make it. I'm also a human. Okay, then it compiles successfully. Then we will try and run it. so that the result to check the it is right or not. Here I have taken input 573. Oh, okay. Let's calculate 7, 3, 10 and find it's a correct input. So hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos. I will also upload new videos about this program like Fibonacci series and the sum of series. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.